Hello everyone. Today shall discuss exercise 11.2 question number 2. Find the area of each of the following triangles. We'll find the area of the triangle, that is number 1 or A. 2A is, we know that area of a triangle, area of a triangle, area of a triangle, area of a triangle is equal to half base into height. 1 by 2 half into base, half into base into height, right? Now in figure A, we find here that the base is 4 cm and the height is 3 cm. Therefore, it is equal to 1 by 2 into base is 4 cm, 4, and height is 3 cm, 3. And since this is area, this is equal to 1 is 2, 2 to the 4, that is 3 to the 6 centimeter square. This is centimeter square or 3 to the 6 centimeter square, 6 centimeter square, right? Now question number B. Question number B is area of this triangle is equal to again half base into height, 1 by 2 into base into height, base into height. Therefore, it is equal to 1 by 2 into base is this is the base and this is the height. The base is 5 centimeter, base is 5 and height is 3.2, height is 3.2 and the unit is centimeter square. If we cut this value with 2, that is 2 1 is 2, 2 1 is 2 and 6 2 is 12, that is 1.6. If we multiply 1.6 with 5, 1.6 multiply 1.6 with 5, then it will be equal to 5 6 is 30, 3, it is 0, 5 plus 3 is 8, 8.0, and that is equal to 8.0 centimeter square. This is the area of figure B. Now area of triangle C. Area of C, that is area is equal to we know that half base into height. Area of a triangle is same as that, half into base into height, half into base into height, half base into height, that is equal to 1 by 2. In this case, what is the base you see? This is the base and this is the height. Base is 3 and height is 4. Height is 4. That is centimeter square. If we cut this one, 1 is 2 and 2 2 is 4 and 3 is 6 centimeter square. 6 centimeter square. Centimeter square is the area of triangle BC. Now, area of the triangle in figure D. Area of the triangle is equal to half base into height. Therefore, area is equal to half base into height is equal to half into base, half into base into height, half base into height, half base into height, that is equal to half means 1 by 2, and in the figure you see this is the base, right? The base is, we can see here that this is the base and this is the height, right? This is not 3 centimeter. Here this is the base and this is the height. The half into base. Base is 2. Here you see this is 2 and this is the height of the triangle, right? Therefore, half into 2 into 3 centimeter square. Centimeter square. Now we are getting this 2 and this 2 will cut. That comes to 3 centimeter square is equal to 3 centimeter square, right? We will find that the area of this triangle, yes, right? Therefore, this is the base and this is the height. If we take this is the base, but this is not the complete triangle. This is the complete triangle, this one. Or if we take this one also, that this is the base and this is the height, and also you can find the area of this triangle. That is half base into height. That is 3 centimeter square, right? Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.